Here's a complete step-by-step Clipchamp video editing tutorial for beginners. I'll show you exactly how to use Clipchamp to edit your videos quickly and easily. So this is clipchamp.com. You can click on create a video. Then you create a free account. Then this is what you'll see. Click on create a new video. Now from here, you can add your video by clicking on import media. Then you choose your videos. Then you can drag it to your timeline and you can start editing your videos. Now, if you're adding multiple videos, you can just continue dragging them in like this. I would suggest you to zoom out the timeline so it's easier to see the videos. So as you drag them in, like this, you can also arrange your videos if you drag it around like that. And as you drag the videos, you will see empty gaps between them. You can click on this trash can to delete any gap like this. Here's exactly how to cut video in Clipchamp step by step. Now to cut the start of your video, just drag it like this. The more you drag, the more you cut. So say I want to cut away the start of the video to around here. Now there will be a gap at the start. We can click on this to delete the gap. Next, let me show you how to cut the middle of your video. First, go to where you want to cut. So say I want to cut the middle from here. So click on the scissors, which is split. Now the video is split into two videos. So I want to cut away the middle part of the video. So I'll continue going down to the next part that I want to cut. Say I want to cut over here, then I will split again. Now you can see the video is split into 3 pieces. So we don't want the part in the middle, right? You can right click, then we delete. Now we have a gap in the middle. We can delete this gap. So that's how you cut the middle part of your video. Now to cut the end of your video, you can drag it like this. The more you drag, the more you cut. Here's exactly how to crop your video in Clipchamp step by step. Now click on your video and on top, you'll see crop. So if I click on this, I can now choose exactly which part of the video I want to show. So you can drag the sides like this and you can choose exactly which part of the video you want to crop. You can also drag the corners like this. Once you're done, just click on this tick. And now you can see that we cropped the video, but we have all of these empty space. So next, you want to click on your video and you can click on fit and you want to click it one more time to fill like this. So this is how to crop your video. Here's exactly how to change aspect ratio in Clipchamp step by step. Now on top you'll see size, which says change aspect ratio. From here you can choose wide, vertical, square, or any of these. So say I want to make this video into vertical. Now we can see there are blank spaces on top and bottom. So to fix this, you can click on your video, then you click on this. Right now it says fit. I click it. Now it says fill. I click it again, and now you can see the video will fill up the entire frame. From here, you can drag it around to position how you want the video to look like. So that's how to change aspect ratio in Clipchamp. Here's exactly how to zoom in Clipchamp step by step. Now click on your video, then on the right, click on effects. From here, you can search. So I'll search for zoom. Then we can click on slow zoom. So here you can choose which part of the video you want to zoom in. So right now it's zooming in to the middle of the video. So let me show you. You can see right now it's slowly zooming in to the middle. Now say I want to zoom into the top left corner of the video. I can click over here. And now you can see that the video will zoom in to the top left corner. We can also change the speed if you want it to zoom in faster. So say I want to zoom in to the bottom of the video and I want it to zoom in a lot faster. I can increase the speed like this. So now when I play the video, you can see that it will zoom in to the bottom of the video like this. So that's how to zoom in Clipchamp. Here's exactly how to add text in Clipchamp step by step. Go to the left, click on text, and here you'll find a lot of different text styles you can add to your video. You can see there are lots of different types of text you can add. You can also add titles to your video, and below we have captions, special, and intro. So say for example, I'm adding this text to my video, then you can drag it to your timeline. If I click over here, you can see we have added a text to the video. So first we can edit the text. We can click on this and we can write whatever we want. I'll just write subscribe. And we can choose the color, the font, the size. So what I would recommend is you click on text on the right side. You open up this sidebar. Here you can adjust how you want the text to look like. You can change the font. You can see they have many different fonts. You can change the thickness. You can make it thin or bold. You can adjust the font size. You can make it smaller or bigger, or you can just drag the corner like this. The more you drag, the bigger it will be. You can also move your text around. You can position it wherever you want your text to appear in your video. And you can change the color, you can put any color you want. For advanced, you can add an outline to your text. Here, you can see there's a little bit of outline. If I click on settings, we can make it thicker. If I click on this, we can choose exactly how thick you want the outline to be. We can also change the outline color. You can make it any color you want. You can also add a shadow. Again, you can choose the color. You can customize it as much as you want. Next, you can adjust which part of your video you want to have the text appear. So you can drag it like this to wherever you want. So say I want the text at the beginning of my video. I can also drag the back to make the text as short as I want or as long as I want. So if I drag this to around 3 seconds, that means this text will show up in the first 3 seconds of the video like this, and it will go away. You can also type the duration over here. If I click on this, say I put 5 seconds like this, that means this text will show up for 5 seconds at the start of the video. And if I want it to show up in the middle, I just drag it like this, and the text will show up exactly at this part of the video. So that's how to add text in Clipchamp. Here's exactly how to add music in Clipchamp step by step. So if you want to add your own music, you can click on Import Media. Then you upload your music. Then you can drag it down to your video like this. And now when I play the video, we now have music. First of all, you can see that the music is a lot longer than the video. So if you want to cut the music, here's how. You can zoom out like this, or you can click on Fit Timeline. So here I can drag the back. If I drag it, I can cut the music so that the music will stop when the video stops. Now Clipchamp also provides music. So you can click on Add Audio, then we click on Music. You can see there are many different genres of music you can choose. So say for example, I go to jazz. We can play and listen to the music. So say I like this music, I can click on Add to Timeline like this, or I can drag it down over here to my video. And now when I play the video, we now have music. So that's how to add music to Clipchamp. Here's exactly how to add captions in Clipchamp step by step. Now let's use this video as an example. So go to the top right corner, click on Captions, click on Try Now, and here you can choose the language in your video. So you can see that it has almost all languages over here. Now I'll click on Transcribe Media, and now Clipchamp is going to generate captions for this video. So it's done. You can see we now have the video transcript. Now let me play the video and show you what it looks like.
Who are you talking to right now?
So you can see the captions appears in the video. Now you can also click on it, and from here you can change the color of the captions. You can change the font. I can also change the font size. If you look on the right side, you can do the same thing over here as well. Now there's also advanced. You can add an outline and you can add a drop shadow to your captions. So let me continue playing the video to show you what the rest looks like.
Who is it you think you see? Do you know how much I make?
So that's how to add captions in Clipchamp. Here's exactly how to remove green screen in Clipchamp step by step. So I'll use this video as an example, and here I have a green screen video. So I'll drag it like this, and let me play the video first. So you can see we have a green screen video, but it's covering our original video. So to remove the green screen, you click on the video, then you go to Effects on the right, and you can look for green screen over here, or you can search green, then you'll find green screen. So I click on this and the green is removed. So now let me play the video and show you.
Who are you talking to right now? Who is it you think you see?
Now let's add one more green screen for fun. I'll drag it here. I click on effects. I search green. I click on this. And now let me play the video.
Now, I am the one who knocks.
Wow!
So that's how to remove green screen in Clipchamp. Here's exactly how to freeze video in Clipchamp, step by step. So let's use this video as an example. So first, you want to find out which part of the video you want to freeze. In this example, say I want to freeze the video at this very moment. Now, here's what you do. You go into full screen preview, you right click, you save this image. So I'll just save it to my desktop. Then let's go back. Next, we will split the video. Click on this scissors which says split. Right now, we can see that the video is split into two parts. Next, we add the image that we just saved. So I click on import media, then I add the image, and now I drag this in between the video like this. So now you can see that the video will play, and then at this part, it will freeze here. If I want it to freeze for very long, I can drag this to as long as I want. So say I drag this to around 9 seconds. That means the video will freeze at this part for 9 seconds because as I play the video, it's just showing the image at this point. Now, if you only want to freeze it for a short while, like 2 seconds, we can drag this down like that. Or you can also click on this, which says edit duration. I can write, say 2 seconds. And now this image appears for just 2 seconds. You can click on this trash can to delete this gap. So now, as I play the video, you can see that the video will freeze at that exact part for 2 seconds, and then it continues. So that's how to freeze video in Clipchamp. Now, when you're done editing your video, here's how to save and download it to your computer. Go to the top right corner, click on Export. Here, you can choose the quality for your video. Now, you can export in 1080p Full HD for free with no watermarks. So, let's click on this. Then you wait for Clipchamp to process your video. So when it's done, we can click on this, save to your computer. I'll save it to my desktop, then click on save. And now I saved the video in my desktop. And if you want, you can save to OneDrive, Google Drive, upload to YouTube, send to TikTok, save to Dropbox, or share to LinkedIn. So that's how to download or export your video in Clipchamp.